Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing an 800 x 800 pixel canvas at 72 dpi for clarity and scale. Turn on a light grid to measure proportions and align elements. Use an HB pencil or 2B digital brush for the initial sketch with light strokes. Keep a soft eraser handy to refine curves and corners. Study the Medkit silhouette and the cross symbol in Dandy's world before committing to ink. Observe line weight and simple shading cues for later steps. Block out the Medkit with a 240 x 160 pixel rectangle and rounded 18 pixel corners. Divide the rectangle into thirds to locate the centered cross and handle precisely. Draw the cross at about 80 x 80 pixels with a consistent 16 pixel stroke width. Add a handle on top measuring 60 x 14 pixels, centered horizontally for balance. Sketch a small shadow under the kit with a 6 pixel soft brush to imply contact. Ink the final lines with a steady 3 pixel outline to preserve the pixel art style. Fill the main body with a flat red, such as #D33, and use pure white for the cross to ensure contrast. Apply a 10% darker rim shadow along lower edges to create depth without over-rendering. Paint a highlight band about 20 pixels wide near the top to suggest light source. Optionally, add a subtle overlay at 25% opacity for overall tonality. Review at native size and adjust crispness for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.